Good day, this is auto pin card and a goods receipt note and a delivery note I designed via Excel. And let's quickly take a tour of the sheets. Here we have the automation of pin card for Coke. We have that of catfish, the pin card, and liver. I've actually used 3 items, and here we have the database where I've set the cost price and the supplier and different units for test running. And we have our summary here where we can review the stock balance for any date. We can get to unlock the sheet as well as lock part of the sheet here. So we have the GRN that will report here. So GRN will report here, that's the good receive note, and delivery note will report here. So let's not bother about this last one. It's just to warehouse certain items for ease. Okay, so let's get started. We'll move to database. If we need to update just a pin card without a GRN and a delivery note, so we'll just use the upper one, stock update. So we'll click on stock update, and today's date, which is May 15, 2019, is automated, but we can change that manually. And let's assume we want to update catfish type C, and immediately catfish sheet is automatically selected, and we need to indicate whether it will be received of item or issue. And assuming I actually forget to do that, if I put the quantity here as let's look at the last balance here. The last balance, so the current closing balance for catfish is 127. So current closing balance is 127. So if I put that balance 130 here, so I could also include a comment. So I could include comment here. So but the comment is not compulsory. So if I try to click send, so that will not fly. That is, I need to indicate action to perform. Kindly indicate receipt or issue. And so that is the first control. So you need to indicate whether it is receipt or issue, so that will be initiated. So there won't be error in posting, so that's why the posting won't fly. And for instance, we have a 127. It means that we cannot issue 130. So if I make it issue and I click send, I get another message: you cannot issue more than physical stocks. But if it has been received, then it will fly. Entries done successfully. So let's close that. So 127, the closing balance here will automatically report it as opening balance. So 127 plus 130 will be 257. So let's get back to here. So the upper button here will only update an item, but if we need to update more than one item as well as have our posting reported on goods receive note or delivery note, then we can use either of these. So let's look at goods receive note, for instance, and here we can, if it's goods receive note, so supplier. So let's take a look at the draw down. We can submit, so you can select maybe this supplier, for instance, and let's assume we are looking at catfish, and the unit cost will automatically come here. Let's assume, so we are receiving now, so let's assume the quantity we are receiving is 45. So the only manual item here is manual entry here is the quantity received. So then the next item has Coke. So let's assume 200. So the only manual entry is the quantity, and let's take this as the quantity as 50. So we have all this automation. So the only manual entry we've done here was a quantity. So you can just type 1 or 2 letters and you have this populated here. You can see the serial number is automated. Once you type 1 or 2 letters, you have the item populated, the unit cost is automated, amount is automated, then all the below items in blue are automated. So the only manual entry is the quantity. Then for instance, so let's try something. For instance, if there is need for additional coke, CO will bring a coke. So let's assume we are taking 10 more. So we have this, so we can click a post. So let's close this and let's check the different item. So for coke, we have today as 15, right? Okay, today as 15. So these are postings for today. So we have 494 closing balance, which came in as opening balance. So we have 200 plus 494, that's 694, and we have 694 plus additional 10, making 704. We have that of a catfish, it was just 45, and that has updated, and we have a liver as well, 50. And let's quickly see. Okay, let's look at okay, this is the goal received note or the GRN. So it has been updated, and if we need to clear this for another, so we can click reset so that we can post another. So let's look at that of a delivery note. So we have made use of this for single item updating, but that will not include the goods received note, only being card automation and one item at a time. So for the upper button, so we've seen how this can update the good receive note button here, can update the good receive note as well as a multiple item. So let's also look at delivery note, and for delivery note, as we select the department, so let's assume bar, and let's quickly look at, let's say, catfish. So assuming we are issuing so catfish, assuming we are issuing 35, and for coke, let's assume we want to issue 100, and for liver, so let's look at, I want to demonstrate something here. So for liver, we have the last item. I actually want to look at the, okay, so for liver we have the closing balance as 239. For liver we have the closing balance as 239. So if for delivery note we are issuing, so if I intend to issue 239, if I intend to issue 240 here, so this posting will not fly. Immediately I get out of that box where I type 240, I get the message, you cannot issue more than physical stocks. So the last balance that we just check is 239, and that will automatically delete that item. So I can put 230 here. And another control here is that if I in delivery note, I can select an item more than one time, but for control purpose I cannot select any of these items more than one time. If I try to select coke here, so it won't work. So let's post this. So let's close this. Let's see the delivery note. So this is our delivery note that can be printed, and today is the issue to bar and all the items. We can get to clear it for another one. And if you look at the different bin card, it has been updated. So 704 minus 100. Initially we have been doing addition. So 704 minus 100, 604, and a catfish is 302 minus 35, 267, and liver is 239 minus 230, remaining 9. And the last thing we want to see here is summary. For instance, I can click the green icon, click to select date for stock review, So I can select here. So let's go to April. For April, I can select maybe April 5th. So after selecting the date, then click review stock balance. So if we quickly look at it for April, the day selected there has reported there automatically. So we have these closing balances for April 5th. So let's quickly look at that. April 5th. So for April 5th, so we cannot take April 6th, so we'll take April 3rd. So that is 146. So 146, and for catfish, we are looking at April 5th, so we can't take 8, so we'll take April 3rd, 75, and this is 75. And for liver, so we don't have April 5th here, so we'll take April 3rd as well, which is 160. So this column F is for closing balance, and the applicable closing balance we automatically report here. So we'll take 160 is extracted. Let's quickly look at one more date. So this is April 5th. So let's look at May. Let's say May 10, for instance. So May 10, you can see the balances we automatically update. So for May 10, if you are looking at the first item for May 10, so we will not take May 11, but we'll take May 6, and for May 6 we have 309. So 309. The next item, catfish, for May 10, okay, we actually have May 10 here, so 115. So here we have 115, and for liver for May 10, so the date is also showing up here in A1. So for May 10, we have 166 for liver, and that has reported here.